Compute 30% of 500, explain your reasoning. So we could make a math diagram, a strip diagram, or we can do a percent table. So 30% in a strip diagram would be 3/10. So let's do a strip diagram. So 30%, that is 30 over 100, which reduces to 3/10. So my strip diagram is going to be tenths. Just because I didn't want to draw hundreds, I didn't want to break this into 100 equal pieces. 10 is good, is as much as I want to do. So I'm going to start with fifths just because it's easier to eyeball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't do a very good job. Make that. Okay, that's better. Fifths. Okay, and then I'm going to break them in half to make tenths. Okay, and 30% would be three of them. 30% of 500. So I'm going to take my 500, break it into 10 equal pieces, and I get 50. So each of these is 50. So that makes 500. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Three of them is 30%. So that would be a 150. I'm going to let you answer 30 on your own. I would like to look at 29 again, but using a percent table. So I'm going to use this space here. So I'm going to have percent and number. Okay, because this isn't representing any particular number of things. We'll just call it number. Okay, so 30% of 500. So 500 is the whole thing, and I want to know 30% of it. So 10% I could get by dividing by 10. So 100% divided by 10, that gives me 10%. So take your whole 500, divide by 10, and you get 50. But I want 30%, so I take my 10% and multiply by 3. That gives me 30%. Do the same thing on the other side of the column. Take your 10%, which is 50, multiply by 3, and you get 150. Same answer as with the strip diagram.